Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Jones. Welcome back to my channel to another kit lineup and foil lineup video. We have Kiara with us today, who is my cat, and also Bayla is my baby, who is asleep on my chest. So if you hear or see either of them, that's all that is. I will be showing you the kits for both my on-camera planner, which you see all of the spreads for here, and I will link up in the cards above if I remember. And also my off-camera planner, which I do just for fun for me. So without any further ado, let's go straight into it. And the week of the 4th of August, where I am using Pet Porty. And so this is actually my husband's birthday week. His birthday is on the 8th of August. And so I'm using this kit for his birthday. He absolutely adores the cats. He wasn't sure when we first got them about getting cats. And now they're literally his life. Well, no, now Bayla and me are his life, but they were his life for a little while. So anyway, that is the full boxes. This was a mystery kit from Plannerface in December 2023. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to save 10%. It isn't valid on the mystery or customs or advent, but anything else it is valid on. So yeah, these are the full boxes. Then you get 2 more full boxes here. And I just love the colours of this kit, particularly for summer. Then you get 15mm. This is a slightly older format. So you fill your bottom washi and stuff. So you only have this half-page deco sheet, but that's fine. We have all the alternate skin and hair colours and stuff. So you've got paw and a dog bone there, and then some extra boxes. You've got the tour boxes with a cat and dog, and then girls with a cat and dog. Then you get the glitter add-on. This no longer exists. It is now just one box add-on because the glitter headers come on that deco sheet, and then this is the box add-on. And then what you do get is the mystery add-on, which has these 2 cats as well, and then some extra boxes and scripts and stuff. So with that, I am mostly pairing this like yellowy orange confetti foil bundle, and I just think it really nicely matches the like golden yellow in the kit. I think it's a perfect match for that. Like, just look how similar those 2 colours are. So it's just confetti format. So we've got 2 pages of the full boxes, the bougie, which is just simple confetti. We have the script and icon page, and also the bottom washi bow. But yeah, just look how well that pairs. And then I am also bringing in some underlays with that, and the underlays I am bringing in are these presents in red, which has misfoiled a little bit. I do use oops in my own planner, and I am going to be layering over the bougie, just as you can see on here, nice and bright there. Because I'm putting in that red as well, I do also have this script and icon sheet from the confetti foil bundle. So it's got the confetti headers there, but I just thought that would bring in a little bit more of the red into the spread with some scripts and icons. So that is the vision for my husband's birthday week, which is the 4th of August. So yeah, I think that is stunning. Obviously I don't think we'll be pairing on that kit, but let me know in the comments if we're pairing on any of the others. This kit, I think we're far more likely to be pairing with both the kit and the arts. This is for the week of the 11th, and this is Summer Vibes, again from Plannerface, and this is Lavi Loves Art. I would say this art is Coffee Doodles Co, but who doesn't exist anymore, I think, but I don't know. Kat or Anna might correct me down in the description. But yeah, this is Lavi Loves Art, and this is a summer set from this year. So this is in the newest Plannerface format. You have these 2 double boxes on there, both super cute. It's just these like proper beachy summer vibes. I said that not realising the kit name was actually Summer Vibes. That's hilarious. So this is the current Plannerface format, where you so obviously Anna does include alternate skin and hair tones for free, and then this is the new script deco icon and glitter page there. And then yeah, 15mm add-on. I get the 15mm add-on, which is this sand, and then the box add-on, which is here. With that, I am pairing one of my newest foil bundles, which comes out for the Christmas in July sale at the end of the month. I can't quite remember when this video is coming up. So this video should be coming out on the 18th, so next weekend I am having a Christmas in July sale, and this foil bundle will come out for then. This is an oops version, but I have done it in the lilac lines, which is like, again, this the foil will show best on here, which is like this pattern here. This is an oops version, but yeah, that's just how it is. But this is the new foil bundle, and I'll just change the lighting to show you off. So you've got like lots of different icons. So you've got like a cocktail, a parasol, a beach ball, bikini, watermelon and sun, and you can see why this is oops. It is both over and under foiled, but then you have your 8 full boxes on here, hole protectors and small deco. Then the second page you have 2 lots of bottom washi. These are cut into the right widths for standard vertical, but you do also get the extra bit if you do want to use it. Then we have the deco headers, and then 4 normal headers here and 3 more full boxes. On the next page you have your scripts and icons, and this one is really oops. And then you have most of your headers as well as your date dots. And then we have the bougie, which is looking like that for underneath. So that is the vision. I'm just keeping it simple because I don't think we needed like solid underlays. If I had done solid underlays, it would have looked quite cool with like a deeper blue underlay. Maybe I will do that. Let me know in the comments, do you think I should make some of my sort of dark blue underlays to go under this foil? Let me know in the comments and I will make them if most people think I should. So that is for the week of the 11th of August. Moving on to the week of the 18th, you've actually already seen this kit because it was in my July kit lineup, and it is another Plannerface kit, and this is from April 2024. It is another mystery kit. Basically I screwed up my July kits and I put camp in the wrong weeks and then got really confused. Moved the cherry birthday kit to my mum's birthday week in my main planner because we moved our games night. Then moved the games night kit to the week after that, and then the camp is actually 2 weeks after that. So then this one of the kits had to go, and that ended up being this one because it was the only one that didn't have a like other purpose. So this is moved into this lineup. So this is Beside the Seaside, which is the April 24 mystery. This is the older mystery format that we have seen. This is from last year, so it is stunning and I'm excited for it. This is definitely Coffee Doodle's art, looking at the fashion people. So that's there. Obviously Coffee Doodles is not really around as much anymore, but yeah, that's there. We have the icon and script, icon and doodle page, icon and deco page, oh my god, washi add-on, glitter add-on, box add-on, and then the mystery add-on with the double box scene there. So with this I am pairing what is lavender and gold hollow. So let's just show this off a bit better with the hollow. So it is a mix of lavender and gold hollow. It is again in that confetti, same confetti design, but you've got your bougie there, then you've got your script and icons, and then your bottom washi, so you can see it is very holographic. And then with that I am pairing this oil slick abstract shapes, and you can hopefully just here see the mixture. So I'm going to be putting the bougie over the top of it, and it does just give it that extra little sparkle. So that is the vision. As I say, you have actually already seen this lineup because I thought I'd just pull it straight into August. It is a bit more early summer to me and like proper summer beach, British beach kit, but I don't have any plans to go to a beach and I just think this is cute, so I wanted to use it in summer. And then last but certainly not least, we have the week of the 25th, and for that I am using this midsummer kit from again Plannerface. So all my kits in my main memory planner this year, this August, this month, oh my god, are Plannerface. This one is Milk and Berries art, and I think it is stunning. And again we have 2 full boxes there. This kind of gives me some like Grease sunflowery vibes. I don't know why, but it just does, and I think it's really, really pretty. I love the bright yellow and the orange. It's just, this is like my perfect summer kit colours. Really sorry if you heard that noise. It is a fly zapper in my kitchen and it just made me jump, so it's soz. So this is the full kit. You've got your bottom washi there, is that beautiful grass scene. Then we have some extra skin and hair tones, the glitter icons and deco page. I get the 15mm add-on, and then the box add-on as well. So with this I am pairing my other new foil bundle that is coming out next week, which is the sunflower foil bundle, and I have paired this in gold. So this is the thing, so you've got like 2 different sunflowers that is just like decorating the boxes. This is my standard like format for the foil bundle, so you get like 1 double box, 2 boxes with like an outline. Each version of the corners, a 4-corner and a quote or something different, and then you get a repeat of each pair of corner and the 4 corners there. You've got your hole protectors, your deco down there, you've got your bottom washi there, we have our script and icon page, bougie, and as you can see I am bringing in some solids in the matte green. It is not the perfect green for the kit, but I think it's close enough to the various greens in the kit that it will look stunning, and I am just layering on top of that the sunflower bougie, and I think that is 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. So yeah, that is the vision for the last week in my on-camera planner, main memory planner, and all of those videos will be coming out on the channel in due course. I'm about 2 months behind on videos at the moment, so like plan with these are coming out about 2 months later, so it'll be a couple of months till you see them, but hopefully you'll be excited for some of those pairings, and let me know in the comments if we are snapping on any of them. We're now going to move to my off-camera planner. You will not see these spreads planned on my channel, but I possibly will do a flip through of it in the new year, but we'll see. So for my husband's birthday week, the 4th of August, we have this Pink Diamond Planner Co 90s throwback December 2023 mystery. Basically we are 90s babies, so I just felt like this was a good kit to represent that, and bits of it do represent my childhood certainly, and probably his, so I just thought it was a good kit. Obviously Pink Diamond Planner Co has now closed down, but yeah, this is a really lovely kit. It was a mystery kit, so I seem to have a lot of add-ons. I think I was subscribed at this point. We have the toolbox, we have lots and lots of girls. This is Darcy Art. We have more boxes. We have the 3 different label add-ons, gosh, a deco add-on and the bottom washi there, so there's lots and lots to work with, and part of me is like, oh, this is a bit of a waste in my off-camera planner, but we do what we do. Then with that I do just have a variety of lavender hollow foil. I don't know what I will actually use, but I have some birthday overlays and stuff. I've got scripts and icons, I've got various overlays and scripts and icons. It's just a mishmash of whatever I have, so yeah, we will just make it work. So that is lavender. I am really trying hard to use up my bits of foil. Oh, sorry, I've missed a page. I also have this one, because I do mostly want to move to my own and Plannerface foil bundles, so yeah, I'm trying to use up the bits, but that is for the week of the 4th in my off-camera planner. Moving on to the week of the 11th, this is one of the kits from the Plannerface Advent from last year, no, the year before I think. This is Festival Vibes. I'm not a festival girly. I'm probably not going to go to a festival. Like the most festival-y thing I'll do is like a town festival, so I'm just using this for a general summer kit. I think it's stunning. I really like this art and things. I think the colours are perfect for midsummer in August, and I just think it's stunning. Because this was in the Advent, I have this page. I have some extra full boxes. I have this extra little bit because there was an oops in the foil. I've got some more boxes and deco and stuff. We have these here, and then we've got the 15mm add-on, the glitter add-on, and the box add-on. And again, I am using a mishmash foil to pair with this, and this is in normal holographic foil. So we just have a variety of hollow bits and pieces that we're throwing in to make this up to a vague foil bundle, and I probably will pull in bougie. There's no bougie there, but I will just use normal bougie. And yeah, that's just nice and simple holographic with the Festival Vibes kit, and as I say, that is from Plannerface. Third kit we have for the summer in my off-camera planner is for the week of the 18th, and we are going with this emo kit. Yes, I am using 2 like emo-y 90s throwback kind of kits, but I just thought the colours of this were really summery, and I just wanted to use this kit. Okay, there's no other reason. I don't know when else I'm going to use it. I'm just using it for as a summer kit because of the colours. So this is the full boxes. This one is from Scribble Prints Co. Your deco and your sidebar bits, your glitter headers, your boxes, littles, pattern boxes, solid boxes, you've got some extra boxes there, your bottom washi, and then I couldn't pair this with not black foil, and again it's bits of black foil. I don't have a full foil bundle here, I just have bits and pieces in black foil that will pair well with this, and I will just make it work. I don't have a full set of underlays, so I'm not quite sure what I'll do there, but we will make something work. I'm very, very behind in this planner, and there's a chance I won't finish it because it is just meant to be for fun and I don't want it to become stressful, but I am still pulling out kits at the moment, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, that is for the week of the 25th with the black foil there. And then last but certainly not least, and you will see my dedication to using up foil bundles here because this is another non-full foil bundle, but we have this Fireflies kit from Strawberry Lime Designs. Sadly, again, Strawberry Lime Designs is no longer open, but I really did enjoy this kit, and I think again it's nice, like starting to go into September summer vibes, but I think it is really pretty, so I am looking forward to using that in my off-camera planner. We've got the 15mm add-on, and then you do get some alternate hair and skin tones. And again, as I've said multiple times, we are using leftover foil bundles, and this one is in Gold Hollow, so as you can see it is mostly a celestial theme, and then we have Bougie as well, so lots and lots to work with there, and again I just think the Gold Hollow goes quite well with this sort of late summer going into autumny style. And that is the last kit for this video. So that is my 8 kits for the month of August, 4 in my main planner and 4 in my off-camera planner. As you can see, there is a reason I PR for Plannerface. 5 of these kits are from Plannerface, 1 is Scribble Rinse Go, 1 is Pink Diamond Planner, and 1 is Strawberry Lime Designs. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of my lineup. Are we twinning on anything? What do you think of my foil bundles? And remember to let me know about the solids with that kit there. If you enjoyed this video, do comment like that down below. Don't forget to use Tilly if you do shop at Plannerface. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!